Hello, it's me again. I'm gonna upload part 2, the re-edited version, but original video is linked in the description.
Okay, guys, you know that there's a virus going around.
Okay, Mickey.
Well, yeah, we have to go to our home.
But Mickey, this isn't your house though.
Shut up.
So that means
Get out of my house! Get out! Get out of my house!
I'm allergic. Okay, it's quarantine time. Let's go. Finally, I can relax peacefully. I'm gonna go play my Nintendo Switch.
2 hours wait. No, 6 hours.
Well, it's just me and you guys. Oh, Tissue, a lot of people want you, but that's not gonna happen for me. But I might use you, only if I'm sick. But you'll be alright for now.
And you, Benny.
You're useless, but useful at the same time. 100 pennies can make 1 coin, or $1. I still love you, Penny, even though you're useless. You two are great friends, but Chip is dead. Oh wait, I could just play my Nintendo Switch. Alright, I already played. Oh wait, I could watch
YouTube on my Nintendo Switch.
I need to download it first. Wow! Ow, my cheeks.